OpenAI and Sora 2 has changed the internet forever.
Today, we're announcing the Sora app.
Everything you're seeing right now is made with AI.
Actually a video generated completely by AI.
OpenAI just changed the entire game once more.
What?
It's actually good.
Everything you're about to see in this clip was created by Sora. Remember that.
Sora 2 is also the state-of-the-art for motion, physics IQ, and body mechanics.
Okay, listen, it blows my mind. And just give me a minute and yours will be blown too.
Sora will blow your mind!
Hey, don't move! Stop! Police, get back here!
In this video, I will show you examples of what it can do, how can you access it, even if you're outside of the US, show you how it works, and even show you how to remove their watermarks.
Don't you dare to show them that!
So yesterday, OpenAI launched Sora 2, their second iteration of their AI video generator. But not only that, they also launched an app that works basically as TikTok, but for AI content. The Sora 2 model is insane, like it's insanely good and different from anything I have seen before. It has made me rethink of what is possible with AI technology today, and even more, it made me see what the internet might look like, not in years, not in months, but in weeks. So let's jump into it.
All right, let's jump into it.
Bro, it's solid.
Yeah, no kidding. I thought it was water.
You good?
Sora is OpenAI's text-to-video generative model. It can take text and image inputs and produce new videos. Sora 2 includes audio synchronization, so the audio is natively built in when you make a video. Sora will make voices, background sounds, music, whatever to match the visuals. And the audio is super good, as I will show you in a second. Sora 2 can also simulate better physics and continuity, so way more realistic motions than before. Sora also has a new feature called Cameo, so you can insert users into your videos, but they have to be verified. I will touch on that later. So here's how Sora 2 interface looks like, and don't worry, I will go over how to access Sora 2 later in the video. It directs you to the Explore page where you can see video generations other people have made. It's pretty much like TikTok's For You page. See, it even says For You. You can also check whoever you're following, you can see the top videos that have been created, and you can even see the latest that have been created. What is awesome about the Explore page, you can click on any video and you can see the prompt they used to generate that video. So you can get inspired or just copy the prompt and try it on your own. Okay, let's start by watching some of these videos.
40, interdimensional TikTok is here. OpenAI finally dropped Sora 2.0. Look at this. Oh, we are
Captain, keep your hands on the wheel! You almost wiped out 3 cars back there! Put it in park, now!
I'm sorry, officer. I
Don't move, door's locked?
unlock it.
Right now!
Get a ticket again.
Hey, stop the car! Unit 12, suspect just...
Do you think Sora will become the next TikTok?
I mean, yeah, everyone's talking about it.
If they keep the vibe fun and not too many ads, I can see it blowing up.
Maybe.
TikTok felt like a fad when it started too, and look at it now.
It's all about what the kids decide.
Ah!
Pika!
Well, yeah, so all the AI flop you have seen on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts, well, now you're gonna see a lot more of it. Because it's so easy. Well, I'm gonna talk about my real thoughts on this at the end of this video, but really, it's so easy. And at the same time, it's pretty awesome that you can do it so easy now. All right, back to Sora interface. So here you can just simply enter a prompt of what video you want to generate. You can also upload an image as a reference, but note there are a bunch of guardrails on Sora at the moment, so you can't really use any realistic photos of people, celebrities, or known characters or brands. I'm actually not sure how and why on Sora you can see so much of Nintendo stuff happening and a lot of Rick and Morty and some other like well-known characters. But that is pretty much it here. You can access the settings and you can change the orientation, either a portrait mode for like TikToks or landscape. So it's either 9:16 or 16:9. As of today, when this video is posted, you can't really set a video duration, but at least for me, each video is around 10 seconds long. So let's play around with it. So for my first prompt, I will type in a man in a business suit chasing a giant rubber duck through Times Square, handheld camera style. Let's go with landscape and click generate. So to see your generations, you gotta go on your profile and click on drafts. Here you can see that I've been playing around with this tool for a bit now. I've been making a lot of like Minecraft style videos. I'm not sure why, but one of my first videos that I made with Sora 2 was a prompt called Movie Titanic, but it's Minecraft.
Ready?
Rose. Promise me.
Promise.
And it did a pretty incredible job, so I just decided to like test out new things on Minecraft. Okay, here's our generation. It took about a minute to make.
Out of the way, move! Excuse me! Hey! Duck! Stop! Come back here! I said stop!
I mean, it's pretty incredible. All I did was type in a man in a business suit chasing a giant rubber duck through a Times Square handheld camera style. It pretty much followed all the directions I gave it. Made a pretty cool viral type flop. In a minute. It did it in a minute, and it's free for now. But like, isn't that crazy? I know it's AI flop, but damn. You can see that the results are pretty crazy, but what's even crazier is that you don't need this long of a prompt. You can actually give it less input in your prompt and let it figure it out. So as I was talking about the Minecraft video that I made, Titanic, but it's Minecraft, let's play around with that idea and like input just 5 words. Let's type in movie Matrix, but it's Minecraft. Let's make it landscape. But also, while we wait for that, we can type in, let's try Harry Potter, but it's Minecraft. Okay, so these 2 videos took a little longer to generate, maybe like 2 minutes. They must be a masterpiece.
You all finished?
What are you?
Just a player who woke up.
Okay, so just from that prompt, it understood that I want to recreate a scene from Matrix and turn it into Minecraft, and it did a pretty good job. I guess what I wanted was not just one scene, but the whole movie recapped, but maybe I can adjust the prompt and do it again. Okay, let's watch the Harry Potter video.
Feels strange, doesn't it? Hogwarts, but all made of blocks.
Magic fits anywhere, even with corners this sharp.
Spells still work.
Message from the headmaster. Looks like we've got another quest.
Okay, so the Harry Potter video was quite nice too. It wasn't a movie recap, so maybe I should adjust the prompt again. But it really did create the Hogwarts scene in Minecraft. It really reminds me of those Lego games. I think there's even a Harry Potter edition of the Lego game. Anyways, okay, so in Sora 2, you can also add cameos, or basically a pre-trained AI model of a certain character to add into your video. And at least at the time of recording this video, on their interface, you can select from pre-existing cameos. You have Sam Altman and other OpenAI employees, but also you can do it your own as well and make it public. By the way, props to Sam Altman for putting himself up there. That's a smart move. This makes him more popular on the internet. Great way to market the brand. Now, unfortunately, you can't generate an image of someone and then plug it into Sora 2 as you could with VO3 or other video generators out there. The only way to actually insert an existing person is to use the Add Cameo feature, which is, by the way, only available using the iOS app. Anyways, on the app, basically what you need to do is take a live video of yourself or another person, but you need to follow the instructions. For example, turning your face in multiple directions and also speaking out loud so it can capture your face plus your voice and generate an AI model from that.
So in this flow, you'll be asked to record a dynamic audio prompt. We'll present you with some random audio challenge. Then there'll be a liveness check. You'll be asked to move your head in certain directions. And then that'll get sent to our systems where we do tons of validation, basically to ensure that no one's impersonating you and this is indeed you on the network. Once you've done that and your Cameo is approved, you can set who can use this Cameo. You can decide only I can use my Cameo, people I approve, mutuals, everyone. You are in full control of your likeness on this network. There is no way for someone to generate you without you having given explicit permission and gone through this Cameo flow, which is a very important principle for us.
And of course, you need to do all of those steps so you can verify this is indeed you and you're not creating a deepfake of someone else. Although I've been seeing a lot of XQC Sora 2 videos, and I'm not sure if he made the Cameo or someone else did.
This is actually good. Fortress right there. Bridge. Just don't mess this up. No shot! I slipped. I'm dead. Dude, are you kidding me? I was literally on world record pace. Fell straight into the lava like a clown. What?
Okay, so let's use Sam as a cameo for our next video. So let's type in Sam caught on CCTV stealing our data from a grocery store. Not sure where I was heading with that. But also, while we wait for that, let's add another one with Sam. Let's do Sam jumping out of an airplane with no parachute. I don't know, these ideas just came to mind, so don't judge me.
Just grab it and go, nobody's looking. Slip it under, nice and easy, all clear. I'm out.
So I'm not sure if that was our data that he was stealing, but it did a pretty good job. I have noticed that Sora does a really good job with CCTV videos or like police cam videos, maybe because the internet is filled with those type of videos and it can learn from those a lot. Okay, let's watch the second video.
Here goes nothing. No parachute.
Woo! I'm out.
This is wild. Just wind and sky. It feels like flying. The ground is way down there. I can see rivers and mountains from up here. The wind's insane, but I'm good. No parachute.
Okay, so once again, that video took 1 or 2 minutes to generate, and my mind is blown. Like you can add your own cameo to it. You can add your own likeness to that video and add yourself in any position, whatever you're doing. It's scary, but here we are. Okay, let's try out one more cameo with Sam fighting Donald Trump in a boxing ring. Let's see what it does. Okay, so as you can see, this content may violate our guardrails concerning third-party likeness. So yeah, on Sora, there's a lot of guardrails concerning third-party likeness. So it can't actually explicitly mention an existing person outside these existing cameos. Okay, so now let's give the reference image a try. I will upload a screenshot of my newly created Skool community and ask Sam to promote it. Okay, so let's watch the video that Sam made for us.
Check this out. This is Creative Quest HQ, easily the best new Skool community I've come across. For $10 a month, you get access to AI and creator tools that help you turn ideas into income in 30 days. They even give you a Sora 2.0 access code. Hit the
So look, again, 1 minute generation and you get a video like that. That's insane. Just think about it. 1 minute and I get a video like this from a simple prompt, from an image reference, right? Think about using this for your product or your brand with people from your company or even you or AI UGC creators. You can generate so many creatives for your ads or whatever in such a quick time at no cost at the moment. That's pretty insane. Of course, when we look at the video closely, you can see that the AI altered the text. So if you put something in the image reference, it will use it as a reference, but nothing else. So it messed up a bunch of the text, but it got the main things right? Okay, let me try out one more thing. I'm gonna try out to turn in image memes into videos. You know, image memes like the memes and the flop that was filling the internet before AI was a thing. Okay, so I'm searching the web to see what kind of memes were popular back then. All right, let's do the expanding brain one. So let's type in Sora expanding brain meme, but it's animated. Okay, so the Drake meme was also a big thing. So let's try, I'm not sure if it's gonna let me, but let's try out to do the Drake meme. So let's type in Drake meme, but it's animated. I'm basically gonna try to animate these memes. I'm sure that if I would use these memes as the image reference, it would do a better job, but let's see what it creates just from the prompt. So is this A? Okay, Sora 2 was not able to make the Drake meme. It says it violates their guardrails. Okay, so we can't use that. Okay, but one funny thing is last night I made this Mariah Carey AI Slop video with her running away from the police. It's a police body cam video and she's singing "It's Time," you know, Mariah Carey, ready for Christmas. It's not Halloween yet. So I prompted Sora 2 to have a police body cam footage of Mariah Carey running away and singing "It's Time" while the policeman says it's not Halloween yet, Mariah, slow down. So that did not work. I didn't get over the guardrails, right? But then I changed the words Mariah Carey to woman dressed in a Christmas outfit and it worked.
It's time!
Mariah! It's not even Halloween yet! Slow down!
It's time! Time for me!
And it made a pretty funny video. At least for me, it was funny. Expanding brain meme, but it's animated. Even without the image reference, Sora understood what meme I'm talking about. Okay, so it's incredible that it understood what the expanding brain meme was. I'm not sure if I like the direction it went with, but I guess it was a fault of my prompt. I just asked it to be animated, and you know, it is animated.
Is this a meme? I think it might be.
Okay, that's a pretty good joke on the meme itself. Once again, you can probably get a better result with a better prompt, but here we are. That's all we gave it. Is this a meme in a video? It kind of makes sense, you know? And you know what? This is why I think Sora 2 really stands out from other video generators. It kind of has a sense of humor or understanding of the sense of humor someone on TikTok, Shorts, or Reels might have. Okay, so you have seen a lot of examples that Sora 2 can do. Now let me tell you how to access Sora 2.0. Well, as of right now, you can sign up for Sora 2 using the iOS app or their website. Okay, so they're rolling this video model out only in the US and Canada at the moment. But if you live outside of US or Canada, you can always use a VPN. So once you sign up or sign in with your Google account, the Sora will ask you for an invite code. This is a code that you can get from anyone who already has a Sora account and has an active invite code. So if you already have access to Sora, you can click on the settings here on the bottom left and click on invite friends and you will see the invite code. By the way, if anyone already has a Sora 2 account and you have an invite code, leave that in the comments so new people can join in and try it out. I'm also giving invite codes to anyone who decides to join my Skool community. So at the moment, either you have to find someone on the internet who has the invite code, or just wait until Sora 2 will be released to anyone. I bet that will happen soon. So at the moment, Sora 2 is completely free. I think you can generate up to 100 videos a day, which is nuts. So this is a great time to start. Try it out before they add some sort of a paywall system to this. I bet they will. Okay, so you might have noticed that all of these videos have the watermarks of Sora. They're kind of smart because every 3 seconds the watermark changes location, so you can't really mask out just one part of the video and that's it. But let me show you a really cool trick that you can use to remove these watermarks from your videos for free. Of course, Sora 2 is for free, so maybe let's keep the watermark on while it's free, you know, at least let the people know where this video came from. But if you want to start using Sora 2 more professionally or for your brand or product, then this might help you out. So if you go to this website, magiceraser.org, it's a completely free website. It didn't even ask me to sign up, which is a new thing. I haven't seen a website that doesn't ask you to sign up right away, even if you don't want to use their product yet. And if you go to video tools, you will see a video watermark remover. If you click on that, you can clearly see you can upload a video up to 500 megabytes. And so let's do exactly that. So let's upload the Harry Potter Minecraft scene. And as you go through the video, you can see that the Sora watermark kind of changes locations every 2 or 3 seconds. So what we want to do is we want to go to the first frame where the first watermark is. We want to use this crop tool to highlight it and then click remove. You will have to wait a little bit for it to remove it. There we go, first watermark removed. Of course, you will see some distortion of the video at the place where the watermark was. And this works the best for videos that doesn't have that much motion. Even yesterday, I made a video of a judge hitting his gavel. It was like a steady shot of the camera, so it was easy. I even cropped it out in Premiere Pro, so I was able to mask the watermark really quickly. Anyways, then you go to the next place where the next logo appears. You can use the crop tool again, draw around the logo, and click remove. Okay, and so rinse and repeat this process till you remove all of the watermarks. There's like 4 inside a 10-second video. And once you do that, you get a video without a watermark. So that's it for this video. It was kind of a tutorial, kind of my first thoughts on Sora 2. I'm excited and I'm scared at the same time. We are here, we're living in the AI flop era, love it or hate it, doesn't matter, we're here on the same boat. So we either use these AI tools or we just let the train pass. You're going to see a lot more AI slop out there for sure. We already see the TikTok is full of AI slop, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Most of the videos that you see there are probably generated by AI or modified at the least. We're going to see a lot of that. I hope that these platforms, I hope that social media will get back to the social aspect of it and actually will maybe boost, maybe promote more real creators instead of AI channels and AI videos, but we'll see where this goes. I'm interested in your thoughts too. What do you think of this? Like I'm shocked about Sora 2, what it can do, how fast it can do it, and it really feels like a different, you know, we're getting image and video generator models every single day, but this one feels different because it kind of nailed it on the TikTok part, the internet consumer part. It can make super viral TikTok videos in like a minute. And you know, while we talk, there's a 15-year-old somewhere making thousands of dollars in a day from these type of videos running multiple channels on YouTube or on TikTok. Let's not use it that way, right? Let's not fill the internet with AI slop. Let's actually use these tools for greater good. If you have a great product, if you have a great brand that you want to promote, you can use these AI tools today and make some incredible content, right? It doesn't have to be AI slop, right? Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like, subscribe. I will post a lot more videos about AI tools or creative tools, and also share my journey here on YouTube and growing my personal brand, because I haven't done that, but I have been a video editor for 10 years. So now it's time to grow my own personal brand. If you would like to join my Skool community, that's where I'm gonna go deep dive in your side hustle businesses and help you grow them, help you 10x them in a month. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.